there is a new amazing Unity asset sale, and today I'm going through the best assets I could find in the upcoming sales. First of all, quick self-promo. Animator LOD has been released. It is a tool to automatically optimize animators based on distance, and it is currently at a 50% discount as well, so you have 3 days to pick this up if you are interested. Like this assets, all links are in the description below. They are affiliate links, they don't cost you anything else, and they will help me out a lot. So first, let's go through the 50% off deals, and there are already some great projects here to pick up. If you want to create shaders using Amplify or use the imposter systems, the Amplify bundle is 50% off. A-Star Pathfinding is also a great tool if you have a lot of AI in your games, and it's quite performant, so also would recommend checking that out. Next to that, a Safe System, Odin Inspector, Mesh Baker are all great tools. I skip over most of the 3D assets since they are very project dependent and the tools are more project independent, so I'm mostly going to cover the tools themselves. Right here, Hot Reload is a great tool again to, well, use Hot Reload in your project. Just a lot faster to make iterations and you can modify code at runtime. I've used it in the past and it's very nice. And my favorite inverse kinematic system, Final IK, is also now in sale. This can be used to get an IK setup, and especially for VR, there are some great setups for VR inverse kinematics as well. The Bakery is probably the best GPU light mapper there is. Unity has released their new light mapper system, so I'm not sure how it compares to that. It was definitely better than the old version, but definitely worth checking out if you have a lot of light. It is already used in a lot of AAA games as well, so it is a great tool to use. And I think those are the most interesting tools for me. You got stuff like Emerald AI, you got some shaders, Anti-cheat toolkit also could be very important. Just in general, there are a lot of great assets to check out. This is just a quick overview of the stuff I find interesting. Also something for me personally, AutoHand is a good VR interaction toolkit, would recommend it. And I think there is another one out there somewhere. Odin Validator, it's also an interesting one. I think VR interaction framework. Yeah, VR interaction framework is also 50% off, and this is my go-to VR interaction framework. I've used it in the past a lot for pretty much all my bigger games, so definitely worth checking out if you want to get into VR and use a quite flexible system for your games. It also has a lot of prefabs and it still gets updates regularly, decently regularly. Lastly, there also is the Hurricane VR package. This one is going to be discounted in 5 days. So this one is better for physics, and I also got a physics add-on for VR body simulation, and I think that is also going to be in the sale. So Hexabody, there we go. If you're going to get Hurricane VR, I would highly recommend also to get Hexabody, since it's just really solid for, well, VR interaction and physics. So that's really worth being checked into. Also, if I missed any assets, definitely let me know in the comments below what I missed and if I should cover them in another video. Next, there are the flash deals. I am a bit late, so there's just 6 hours left, and these are a bit less special in my opinion, since they are just either smaller assets or more niche assets. Just one thing that really stood out to me was OpenCV for Unity. I haven't seen this in sale at all actually, and right now it's 60% off. So if you like to work with AR, object detection and all that stuff without any proprietary tech, so without any reliance on ARKit or ARCore, you can use OpenCV in Unity with this package. I just picked it up and I'm looking forward to work with it. Next to that, there are some mobile things, some Steamwork things. The one I found very interesting as well was the City Gen. This basically allows you to generate a whole city from just a map. That's really impressive. And of course, there are a lot of tools and a lot of graphical assets. So just pick up what you need. Last but not least, this is the last day to get the super simple Skybox for free. Just use this tool, just use this coupon code while checking out, and you will get this asset for free. It is quite nice. And I think tomorrow, since this will be until tomorrow, or today actually, you have to be really fast. Tomorrow there should be new assets, and I will link that in the description below. So that is the really quick sale of Unity, and again, definitely check some out if you are looking for some assets to buy or some tools to use. since these are really good deals you probably are not going to find every day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more of these quick overviews of Unity sales or Humble bundles, definitely let me know by liking the video or commenting down below. If you don't, a dislike is also fine. It will also let me know that I should stop doing these videos. And I will see you in the next one.